Listen, if you're looking for a historic home in the downtown Savannah, Georgia area under $2 million or so, I got something for you. I'm about to tour a historic home that is available right now in one of the nicest looking streets. Check this out. This is Charlton Street in the downtown Savannah, Georgia area. Welcome to this three-story townhome in one of the best streets in the entire Savannah, Georgia downtown area. Okay, this one is 419 East Charlton Street. It is a 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and it has 2,364 square feet. Okay, you can notice all of these details on the wall, which is solid brick. Not only the walls, but also the flooring. And of course, you're gonna see some of the walls have been renovated and have drywall. Now, there is something that this property has that a lot of other properties downtown, including single family or townhome, it doesn't matter, they don't have, okay? But this one offers those two things. And I'm not talking about this kitchen that you're looking at. Of course, everything is new, been renovated. The countertops look awesome. The entire kitchen looks nice, looking towards the backyard, which, by the way, the backyard was also renovated. But don't worry, we're gonna take a look at the entire property. Now, let me show you the backyard, which is one of my favorite spots. You're gonna notice here on the right side, there is a custom masonry barbecue station, okay? And you can see yourself here enjoying time with your family, with your friends, visiting. It is in a perfect location where you can walk down the street to the best places of Savannah, okay? You got a water fountain, a baby magnolia tree, actually 2 of them, and everything looks nice. Now, this is the feature that I was talking to you about, the 1-car garage, which is something a lot of them don't have. Now, on top of that, if I open this door, you're gonna notice this beautiful office space that you can use obviously for work, or if you wanna do something else with it, you're more than welcome to do so. You have a countertop with a fridge, storage. You can have a coffee maker here. You have your own bathroom. You don't even have to go back to the house to use the restroom or anything like that, okay? Now, what do you think about this property so far? Let me show you the rest of it. By the way, right here on the right side is the laundry, in case you're wondering. Right there's the laundry. Now, let me show you the second story where the primary bedroom is, okay? You're gonna notice here to the left, you're gonna notice this open space, which is basically a secondary living room space or a loft, or you could use it as an office if you wanted to, but it has a very nice view to Charlton Street. Look at this, gorgeous. Now, if we turn around here on the right side, you're gonna notice the master bedroom or the primary bedroom all the way here at the end. All right, so you can see the same type of flooring, just hardwood flooring, 2 closets right there. And let me show you the bathroom, which is also been updated. Check this out. You have a single vanity with the view to the backyard. And then look at this huge shower. Okay, this is a very, very big shower. You know, when you compare other townhomes in the area that haven't been updated at all. You see? Very nice. All right, let's go now to the 3rd floor. Here you go. Here on the left side again, you have this bedroom. It also has a fireplace with a closet. Keep in mind, guys, a lot of these historic homes don't even have a closet, and this one not only have multiple bathrooms, office space, garage, multiple closets, fireplaces, etc. Now, this is the last bathroom. You can see beautiful tiles all the way to the ceiling, right next to this very spacious bedroom, okay? There you have it. If you're looking for homes in the downtown area, just call me, text me. This is my number on the screen, and I'll see you guys next time.